Welcome back YouTube for another episode on my build on the IS300. Today we're going to be installing a wide body on it. So this is the box. Still haven't opened it yet, but we're going to be installing these fenders. These are 30 and I got the 50, so it should sit a lot better because I want the car a little bit lower. And it also came with the side skirts for it. So from Monster Service, these are actually one there's like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 depending on how wide you want it. But first I wasn't sure how wide it was, so I got the widest in the front, which is pretty good. I can go a little bit lower, but these I think they were too small, so I had to get the wider ones. But now that they're here, let's go ahead and install them real quick. That actually, like from Monster Service, they're from Russia. See the logo, Monster Service. They're Russian based, so if you do order from them, it takes a long time. I think I got it maybe in like 2 months after I purchased them, but yeah. Okay, I got all the pieces laid out, and one thing I do love about Monster Service is how well they wrap their products. So because it is shipping overseas, it's the box got here all like bent and like smashed in, but so far everything seems to be all together in one piece, thankfully. This is how they come. It's like a really well wrapped and like kind of like a thick sponge, whatever this is. Some sort of wrap, but yeah, it comes with multiple pieces, and the only ones I'm going to be installing are the rears. And since I already have all the holes drilled in, it shouldn't be too difficult, but the one that is going to be new are definitely the side skirts. So yeah, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so I got the old ones out, and thankfully these already have like the same exact spots where you can bolt them up to. It doesn't look like I'm gonna have to cut anywhere else, thankfully. So it should be a direct fit. I just need to drill those holes and bolt them right up. Okay, now that the fenders are on, let's go ahead and show them to you. So this is how they came out. They were a whole lot wider than previously. Even if it's just 20mm difference, you should be able to talk very nice. Let's go ahead and look at the other side. Not too bad. Now, all that's left is just putting on the side skirts, and it should look a whole lot better. Okay, I kind of got these on. They're not on 100%, but they do give a good idea on how the car will look. And that looks way better than having a mean old gap. I just need to lower the car a little bit more, and I think it'll look way better. What's my boy doing over there, though?
What's that?
Alright, let's get to it. I'll go ahead and finish these, and then do the other side, and then probably pick up the car so we can start lowering it too. Okay, side skirts and the fenders are on, and it came out pretty good, but there are some areas that do need some TLC, but I can't afford taking it to a body shop right now, so it is what it is. If you can't see it, then it's a pretty good job. So let's go ahead and do a nice little walk around. Okay, that concludes today's YouTube video. Thank you for watching, guys. I just gotta give baby girl a wash, and we'll see where the next YouTube goes. Maybe I'll get another bright seat. Maybe it'll be the 1JZ swap. Deuces.